Frost, my head is frost. I'm feeling cold like a ghost, and I don't know if I can even host the rest of the cycles down the road. I see terror and low, supposed to be alone, frozen top of Pluto. Running like rain, now you're freezing. The lake looks like one step till it breaks. Having faith every step till I make it, but nothing is making me feel fucking safe. For the sake of my life, I will create a prediction to train my brain to pick the right steps on my way to escape. I see cracks mating with waves, they start waving at me, seeing my death ready to place its hands under to take me away.
Freezing till I'm numb and give up. I believe it's cause I'm not where I'm supposed to be. A little fire for the heater. I'm frozen, but can I warm up just a little bit? I'm frozen, where's my fucking head? Understand me, feel me now. I'm lower than the temperature. I have to keep it going up. Be careful not to let it get to you to where your head is fucking hot. I think I'd rather burn the flames now. Fuck it.